Our month supply of inventory, or MSI chart, gives us a pretty good snapshot. The MSI shows us the relationship between current supply and demand. If no new homes come on the market, how many months will it take us to sell all of the current inventory? Historically, we consider anything under 4 months supply means the sellers are in control of the market and prices are going up. 4 to 6 months supply is a neutral market and prices are flat. And anything over 6 months supply is a buyer's market with prices going down. This month, our MSI is 4.4, and last year that number was 6 months. However, this MSI number has been climbing steadily since May. On the supply side, we have 40% fewer homes on the market than last year. While sales have been clipping along at a fairly steady rate, there's a huge window of opportunity. August had the lowest number of new listings in the entire year, and buyers just love to buy those new listings. So if a 4.4 months of inventory on the market is a neutral market, does that mean prices are flat? Or, since the number is so close to a seller's market, are prices going up? If you consider the median price for sold homes, August versus August, the median price is down 8.7%. This doesn't sound nearly as bad as a 20.2% drop of July versus July, and that's why a month-over-month comparison can be so misleading. If you look at the 15-month chart of median prices, you'll see a roller coaster ride that trends ever so gently downward. Average price per square foot is a nice absolute measure of price in Glendale because this number tends to smooth out the differences in high-priced homes versus low-priced homes. Month over month shows a drop of 12% in the average price per square foot, while the 15-month trend line shows a flat or gently declining trend. Predictions. Predictions are so difficult. My crystal ball has been in the shop, but if I had to guess, and it's only a guess, the next several months will continue to see some gentle price declines, and the buyers who are looking to buy will feel a little taken advantage of because frankly, there won't be very many homes that come on the market that are priced well for today's conditions, and there will be competition for them. The smart buyer is not going to worry about that. They're going to know what value is and they're going to snap up that house. The smart seller is going to price for today's conditions and move on with their life because the value of that simply priceless. Well, that's been your market report for August 2011. I look forward to seeing you next month. Bye-bye.